Same way, when you multiply with 5 digits also, you will get the answer. When the child knows that problem can be solved easily, in life also any problem comes, he can handle very nicely, and in the life you will get success. So here what we will do, 34,567 into 14. I want in one step from left to right. Definitely you can get it. No, it's not difficult. What I am doing? 4 zeros are 0 plus 3, 3. Okay. Again now 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 1 6. Again here 4 5 is 20 plus 6, 4 is 16 plus 5, 21. 2 is there. 4 5 is 20 plus 6, 26. 2. 4 6 is 24 plus 7, 31. 3. 4 7 is 28. There. Just balancing it. You must know balancing it. See, this balancing method is easier than the carrying number, because in carrying normal conventional method, you have to carry forward everything and again adding it is difficult. In the balancing method, we are adding last only. So what we are doing? 8, 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 1 4. So it comes now 4,83,938 is the answer for multiplying with 14. Now let us take any digit. Because I cannot give all examples in one episode now. So I am giving few examples. I request all of you, parents and your others also, your viewers are there, please see this and teach to your child. Your students also, please learn this. Tell to your friend. When it's in your apartment, you cannot move everywhere because of corona. You have free time, you spend here. By that what happened? When you are making mistake, you will correct it. When he makes mistake, you will correct it. You will make a competition. Who will do faster? Then you will get fastness also. Now let us take now another one. It is 7-digit number. 7-digit number is 98,76,543. You have to multiply with 4, multiply with 1, adding it, getting the answer. In between some confusion, you will make a mistake. Okay, no problem in the convention. But you want to cross check whether you have done correct or not. Let us cross check this way. Okay, in the school examination, when you do it, when answer is right, you will get 100%. In the maths is a wonderful subject, you know. In other subjects, you will get only knowledge. In the maths, you will get a thinking power. So when you maths, you can get full score, full marks, you know. You can enjoy the marks. So in the maths, when we are doing it, now let us see. Here I am putting 0. 9 4 zeros are 0 plus 9. 9 I am putting it here. Okay, this digit is over. Then again 4 9 just okay. 36 plus 8 44. I am putting 4 here, carrying 4. Again 4 8 just 32 plus 9 39. 9 I am putting, 3 I am putting it here. 4 7 are 28. 28 plus 6 34. 4 I am putting here, 3 is there. Okay, so up to here correct. Then again 4 6 is 24 plus 5 29, 2 here through. Then 4 5 is 20 plus 4 24. 4 I am putting, 2 I am carrying it to balance. Then 4 4 is 16 plus 3 19. 9 I am putting, 1 is there. So this is over. 4 3 is 12. Next number nothing is there. So I am putting 2 here 1. Then easy. Then because you will not make any mistake here. You know very well up to 9. Must know up to 9 table. I expect that. Okay. So 9 plus 1 10. 1 I am carrying it. 1 5 6. I am putting 6 here. 9 plus 2 11. 2 11. 1 carrying it. 1 5 7. Okay. Then 9 plus 3 12. 1 is there. 5 plus 3 8. 9 plus 1 14. So you got answer. 13,82,71,602 is the answer. So this way I request all of you take exam this one, and if you like this video, kindly press like, and to get future this one, you subscribe this channel by ring button. Any doubts, anything you want to say, you whether positive or negative, any feedback, please write there, so that we will try to improve our skills. Okay, and after commenting it, suppose somebody didn't understand that, you go to the playlist. My name is P. Raja is there. So Raja playlist is there. All my episodes, now 14 episodes now. Already all 13 episodes are there, and future episodes also will come all this. So suppose somebody sees after 1 year or this also, they can see all episodes, and you will get, there are so many 50 to 40, so many episodes are there, but by your encouragement only we will try to make it. Thank you very much for seeing this video.
మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.